Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the best aim assist settings in Marvel Rivals for achieving insane accuracy, whether you are on PC or console. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So firstly, simply open your game. Then go to your settings panel at the top, right here. Then click on Settings. Go to the Controls panel and then click on Combat. And right here directly, copy all the settings that you can see on my screen. So the values that I'm showing you right now are the best balanced response for solid aim, snap accuracy, and just enough assist without overwhelming your manual precision. So the settings that you have to adjust are, firstly, in horizontal sensitivity, choose 200. Vertical sensitivity, again, 200. Then click on the advanced panel right here and choose a linear curve, which you can see right here. Now for the minimum input dead zone, choose 1, and for maximum, again, choose 1. And for horizontal dead zone sensitivity boost, choose 30. For vertical, choose 1. You can keep the same settings for all others as well. Now scroll down and over here, make sure that snap left-right is turned off, which you can see right here. Then inverted horizontal look is also turned off, and invert vertical look is also turned off. Now in the aim assist section, the aim window size should be 40. Startup, the strength should be at least 90, and the ease in should be at least 80, and then projectile, aim assist should be 80. And the hit scan should be at least 40, which you can see right here. Now scroll down. And for melee, you can simply keep it at 0. And lastly, you should disable the max dead zone, which you can see right here. And for the HUD, you can also copy the same settings here. So if you want to use the crosshair that I'm using, which is this one right here, these are the settings for it. So the settings that I showed you are general, and you still have to calibrate them according to your own needs. And depending on how you place your hand on your table or use your controller, all these other factors will affect your playstyle. So simply go to the practice range and test the new settings and change anything that you would like to. So that's it. These settings should give you insane tracking and aim performance in Marvel Rivals across both console and PC. So if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.